Our final award, the Lifetime Achievement Award to Lee Cullen. If a Hall of Fame existed for advocates of renewable energy in our state, Lee Cullen would be its first inductee. About Lee, he's been a prominent lawyer in Madison for many years. In 1979, he founded what became Cullen, Weston, Bach, a well-known, well-respected law firm in Madison. Now, I've known Lee for 15 years or so, and Lee has, and his law firm had this amazing ability to be called on by different governors at 3 different times to negotiate broad-based energy policy for the state of Wisconsin. Now, of course, back in the days when energy policy could be deliberated and shaped and passed in a bipartisan fashion, but we made that as a signature aspect of renewable energy policy. And Lee and Cullen, Weston, and Bach were always at the forefront, at the pivot point of being able to develop packages that eventually received broad support. So whether it was Act 204, which initiated the first requirement on utilities to invest in renewable energy back in 1998, or whether it was Act 9 1 year later, which created focus on energy and established the first renewable energy standard in the Midwest, or whether it was Act 414 in 2005 and 2006, which greatly expanded the renewable energy standard from then 2.2% to 10%, and also protected focus on energy from having its funds appropriated by the legislature. And then later, perhaps and definitely the last bipartisan bill to be adopted in the state, the wind siting law in 2009, which Lee put together an extraordinarily broad coalition of developers and utilities and advocates and other important economic interests to pass the wind siting law. And at all 4 of those very important bills, Lee and Cullen, Weston, and Bach were always at the center of things and making it possible for the state to make significant progress in renewable energy. So, 4, outstanding leadership as an attorney representing numerous clean energy businesses and advocacy organizations, and for proactively crafting, shaping, and defending Wisconsin's renewable energy policy framework throughout his professional career. It is our pleasure to present Lee with the Lifetime Achievement Award.
I didn't bring my personal care attendant from the nursing home. I have a daughter, 6 years old, named Hope, and she's kind of her own renewable energy project, you might say. And as people were talking this morning, presenting it was really a crisis in energy policy in the state, and we're talking about challenges we have and the dark times. I couldn't help but think of Hope, or Hopi as I call her, to remember the great words of Joe Hill, the organizer, who said many, many years ago, don't mourn, organize. that's what it's all about now for clean energy in Wisconsin. When I witnessed the energy, the enthusiasm, the expertise, and that we have in this room, I really do have great hope. And I'll even say, you know, I have a mustard seed of faith that we will be able to make clean energy future of Wisconsin happen soon, this year, next